Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I am going to do a declutter and organize my kids, both of my sons' and drawers. This is my oldest son drawers, and behind me is the baby drawer back here. I'm going to move some clothes from his drawer for his drawer where it can't fit my oldest son anymore, which is 5. Obviously, he just turned some 9 months old, and I'm going to switch his clothes and so my son can organize. I'm going to show you guys what I end up doing. Here, I put some organization here. This is his shirt, and up here is his pants. Okay, guys, I cannot do a voiceover again for the 11th time, guys. Yeah, I'm sitting in my son's chair. It's comfortable, uncomfortable. And as you can see, my little helper have my microphone. But again, I can't do a voiceover again because my microphone broke. Not sure what's going on. The mute button it's on red and I can't tell. But if you guys have any suggestion and recommendation, please leave it in the comment below. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys get motivating, and I hope you guys just get some decluttering out of your life and just get up and move around. Again, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Again, I do apologize if you guys don't get a voiceover again. But again, leave a comment and don't let me know where to go to get a proper microphone. Again, thanks for watching. I love you guys, and if you're new here, go ahead and leave a description below. If you're new here, I'm sorry, I can't talk. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And for my people, thanks again for tuning back in my channel and watching me. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. May God bless each one of you guys. Thanks again for watching.
we need